and welcome to this Profit Protector Pro video. Today I'm going to be talking about some additions that we've made to the bulk inventory management feature. So those of you who use this feature regularly will notice that if you scroll down to the bottom of the page, there is now another little section, and it says S&L, which is the small and light toggle, and the EFN pan toggles, and you can now kind of bulk turn them on or bulk turn them off using these codes using the bulk management feature. So I'm going to run you through how it works. Now, first of all, I just want to point out these links. So there's 3 links here. They are a video that talk you through how to do it, and you can use whichever one is appropriate to you, whether you are Excel, Numbers, or Google Sheets. So whether you're Windows, Mac, or you're using Google Sheets. So the first thing you need to do is download an inventory CSV. So you've got either a full inventory CSV, you've got an in-stock inventory CSV, or you've got a blank template as well. So I'm going to go for download full inventory. So I've clicked there to download, and then I'm just going to go down and open that file. So here you go, you can see it's opened. So the columns I've got here are, so obviously this is a demo account, but it will show in exactly the same way as yours. So I've got the SKU, I've got the ASIN, I've got the minimum price, the maximum price, the buy price, the break-even price, the marketplace, the strategy ID, you've got any custom strategies, you've got the title of the product, and if we come along, you've also got the automation, you have got small and light, EFN, pan, and also VAT override as well. So I'm just going to come back to the website for a second because I want to talk about what you can tweak, because if you edit things that you're not meant to be editing, it can mean that those changes won't be put into place. So what you want to be looking at are your minimum price, your maximum price, your break even, your cost price, and then your strategy and automations, custom strategies if that's applicable. And then also I'm going to show you the VAT override, the EFN and pan toggles, and also the small and light toggle. So I'm going to come down. If you look at these tables, so basically the ID is what it should be in the spreadsheet. So for each marketplace, you've got an ID. For each strategy, you have an ID. And also if you want it to be a custom strategy, the ID is -1. So let's come back, and you will see that here we have got a column for the strategy. And as I said, if you want it to be using a custom strategy, you need to put -1 in the strategy ID, and then you need to put the name of the custom strategy in there. And it needs to be the name exactly as it is so that Profit Protector Pro can make that link. And then also the same if you want it to put in an automation name. So the name needs to be exactly the same. So the new additions to this are, as I said, you've got the small and light, you've got the EFN pan toggle, and I'm also going to show you the VAT override. So the small and light and EFN and pan, the numbers that you need to put in are here. So basically, if you want the toggle to be off, you put a 0, and if you want it to be on, you put a 1. So as you can see here, I've got some 1s in some of the columns, and then the rest are just blank. So you would input in there exactly what you want it to apply. And then also the VAT override, you would just put the number in there for the percentage that you want it to override that VAT figure with. Now, what you need to make sure you do once you've input all of your changes, so edit it as you want it to change it, and then you need to make sure that you save it as a CSV, because that is the file format that will work when you then upload it to Profit Protector Pro. So I've clicked Save As, and I'm just going to save it as a CSV file. Once that's done, you then want to go back to Profit Protector Pro, and you need to upload inventory CSV. I then want to select the file that I want to upload, and it is of course going to be this one. As you can see here, you need to bear in mind that this will overwrite any data. So basically you're implementing changes to your inventory, whether that's changing the strategy, changing the min max price. Maybe you want to, apply a custom strategy to quite a few listings, to quite a few SKUs, or whether you want to turn the EFN or pan toggle on or off. So make sure that everything you've put into that document is what you actually want to implement. And then when you're ready, just click upload. You'll see the little toggle will turn, and then as it says here, it will say your CSV has been uploaded. It may take a short while to process, so please check back for the progress update, but you can see that it's been a success. Really, really simple. The main things that you need to remember are look at the columns that you can edit, make sure that you save it as a CSV so that when you then upload it, you don't have any issues. Any questions, just drop an email to info@profitprotectorpro.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.